Okay, hi guys. Today I'm going to go over the first lesson that's going to be assigned for you guys. It's volume of cylinders. Now we've covered this in class already, and I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the formula V equals area of the base times the height, where V represents pi r squared. So notice that when we put it all together, volume equals pi r squared times the height. So that's basically what we're going to be doing. Now here, determine the volume of each cylinder round to the nearest tenth. There's an H missing here. Just go ahead and add it. 10th. Okay. So now here we're gonna start already. Okay, so notice that the formula was area of the base times the height, where the capital B represents pi r squared times the height. So we're going to be using that. Now, notice that in our cylinder, we are given the radius and we are given the height there. Okay, so we're basically going to just substitute each value. So pi, we bring it down, times the radius is 10 square, or to the second power, times 18. Now, if you don't know how to add the exponent on the calculator, well, then you just simply multiply it 10 times 10. Oops. 10 times 10 times 18 times your pi. So, I mean, it's up to you how you want to do it. I'm going to show you how to put it into the calculator, okay? Now, some of you are worried that, man, we don't have the calculator at home. That's perfectly fine. There's so many calculators available online. I'm going to show you the first one. I just need you to type calculator. Calculator pi, P-I. Calculator pi, and it's going to be the first link, scientific calculator pi. Now here, we're basically going to multiply pi times 10 times 10 times 18. That was our first problem. And our answer is going to be 5654.86, okay? So I'm only going to get the first numbers, 5654.86. Okay, so it's 5654.86. Now notice that here's telling us to round to the nearest tenth. So we're going to cut it after the 10th place, and the hundredths is the most important number because it's going to tell us whether to add one more or give it a rest. So 6 is 5 or more. We're going to have to add one more. So then our final answer is going to be 5654.9 cubic millimeters. And there goes your final answer. Okay, now I'm going to go to a problem without an image and using also diameter. So let's go ahead and begin. We decided that we're going to do number 5, volume equals area of the base times the height. We established that capital B represents pi r squared, and bring down your height. So if diameter is 6, we gotta divide it by 2 to get the radius. The radius will be a 3, and your height will be 11. So you can remove the other ones so that you don't get confused with them. So now let's substitute pi times 3 times 3 times 11. We come to our calculator. Pi times 3 times 3 times 11. Calculate. And it's going to be 311.01. 311.01. Now remember that we are rounding to the nearest 10. So we're going to cut it here, and this number will tell us either to give it a rest or I want more. So in this case, it's telling us to give it a rest. It will remain at 311 cubic centimeters. And that's how you're going to be solving the problems on Edulastic. Or if you have the packet, you should already know, more or less have an idea of what is going to be expected of you. So the main thing of this video is for you to remember formula of a cylinder. It's going to be area of the base times height, where capital B represents pi r squared, and you just bring the height down. Okay? Don't forget to Google calculator pi so that you get to the answers faster. Okay? Thank you so much. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me through Google Classroom.